you have 140 tomatoes and 13 onions left over from your garden. You want to use this to make jars of tomato sauce and jars of salsa. So making tomato sauce and salsa to sell at farmer's market. A jar of tomato requires, so a jar of tomato requires, of tomato sauce requires 10 tomatoes and 1 onion. A jar of salsa requires 5 tomatoes and 2 onions. Which of the following will be accurate inequalities based on the constraints given? We have 2 items. We have tomatoes and onions. So we're going to have an equation for the tomatoes and an equation for the onions. So let's go and find the tomatoes first. Let's see, we're trying to make tomato sauce, but that makes 10 tomatoes. And let's go and make the tomato sauce will be your x's, and your salsas will be your y's. So 10 tomatoes in every jar of tomato sauce, plus 5 tomatoes in every jar of salsa, and that's going to be a total of 140 tomatoes. That's how many tomatoes you're going to be using, depending on how many jars of tomato sauce and how many jars of salsa. That'll be the restriction. Now, this is what you're making, and this is what you have. So what should be bigger, what you're making or what you have? In this case, what you are making should be less than or equal to. We have 10x plus 5y is less than 140, and that'll be your equation. Now the second one, it will be the onions. So we have 1 onion in the tomato sauce and 2 onions in the jars of salsa, and that's equal to 13 onions, or less than or equal to as well. So your answer will be B.